I want to talk in this video about something that I don't think is spoken enough about in the startup space, which is self-doubt. The self-doubt of the leader of the company. Unfortunately, so many people don't start a business or a startup because they just don't believe that they have what it takes to become successful. And I just really wish that everyone understood that when anyone starts out, they have no clue what they're actually doing. Like it's new to all of us, and you do really just stumble your way through those first sort of years of your journey as you figure out how you are going to be as an entrepreneur, how you're going to act, and the things that you're good at. So in this video, I just want to talk about a few things that should help hopefully give you a bit more confidence and understanding of what it's really like in business on this topic. So another big key point is that once you are doing great things in business, a lot of people would assume that entrepreneurs at that level have everything figured out, and it's not true at all. If an entrepreneur has 10 staff in a pretty decent business, and then that year they have to raise some more money and grow to 100 staff, they've never done that before. So even though they've got a successful business, the things that they have to do that year, they are terrified of. And all of us as entrepreneurs do have self-doubt about the new things that we have to tackle in any given month or year. So keep that in mind. That self-doubt is just something that we cope with. It doesn't go away, but you get better and better at dealing with it. And probably the other biggest thing that people get wrong is they believe that entrepreneurs have to have all of this experience or technical knowledge in order to build a successful company, or in particular tech startups. And that's not true at all as well. I definitely can't code. I have an understanding of how it works and how to manage coders, but you don't need technical skills. You don't need a university degree or to be great at marketing. The two biggest things that an entrepreneur needs to be great at is evangelizing, telling a story and convincing people why your thing is going to be great and why it's going to make an impact. And then secondly, which is definitely linked with evangelism, is recruiting great people. You can't do it on your own. So a big thing that you'll have to learn is how to bring others on the journey to work for probably less money and longer hours, but because they believe in an end win that they can get by being involved in your company. So those two skills, of course they're not easy, but they are actually things that anyone can learn. But you don't have to, like I said, you don't have to code, you don't have to be great at marketing. These are things that other people in your team can do. So honestly, anyone can do it. We all deal with self-doubt, so don't miss out on an opportunity just because you think other people are better equipped than you to start a business.